If you want to share a technical breakdown with your community or Twitter, you don't need to download third-party screen recording software. You can record your screen and microphone directly inside of TradingView. First, make sure your chart is set up perfectly with all your drawings, indicators, and everything you need to convey your analysis to your community. Then, go to the very top right corner of your screen and look for the Publish button. Click it. Then select Record Video Idea. A browser prompt will pop up asking for permission to access your microphone and screen. Once you allow it, TradingView natively records your voice and your mouse movements as you explain your technical analysis. When you finish recording, the platform doesn't force you to render or download a massive MP4 file. It mechanically processes the video on their own servers and gives you a direct link that you can instantly post to the TradingView community or share on social media. Have a great day, guys.